The Lenovo P2 is one of the most underrated phones that have been launched in recent days. In today's video, let's unbox it and find how good it is. Vanakkam everyone, Hariharan here and let's get started. I got this at offer price of Rs 13,999. It's good to see that they have reduced the price in recent times. Inside the box, we also get a free screen protector and a free back cover. So without any wasting time, let's start the unboxing. Opening up the box. First, we have the phone itself at top. The key specifications are mentioned on the sticker on the front. It's good to see that they have provided a back cover. Nice gesture. Let's keep that aside for the moment, and below that we do get the free screen protector. And then we have the 24-watt rapid charger. That is how Lenovo claims it. It looks different, at least the yellow color. And it has output of up to 12 volts at 2.1 amps. So it really charges it very fast. And then we have the SIM ejector tool. And then a bunch of booklets, which does include a quick start guide, a warranty card, and then some papers, I don't know. Let's keep that aside. And then we do get some free earphones, which by the way aren't of good quality. They feel too cheap and they are completely made of plastic. And at least they come with a microphone. And then we have the micro USB cable. And then this is surprising. We get an OTG adapter because this allows to charge your some other phone with the Lenovo P2. And also you can connect your pen drives to the phone. So that is all we get inside the box. And now let me quickly set this phone up. Now let's set up the fingerprint scanner. You can add up to 4 fingers. And so we are done with the setup. So the provided plastic case is of good quality and feels good too. And now let's check the Android version, because looking at the status bar it doesn't look like Nougat. And yes, it is still running on Marshmallow out of the box. And looks like we already have an update. But looking at the file size, it doesn't look like a Nougat update. But anyway, let's download and see what happens. And so the first update is done, and we didn't have another update, and yes, this is the Nougat update. And after installing that, we finally have the Nougat. However, I wish that it came out of the box with Nougat. At the back of the phone, we have the 13 megapixel rear camera with PDAF and then followed by LED flash, and then we also have NFC contacts part down below that, followed by the Lenovo branding. At the bottom, we have the micro USB port surrounded by single mono speaker and then a microphone. On the right side, we have the volume rockers and a power button below that. Both of them are made of metal and provide a satisfying click. And up top, we have the secondary noise cancelling mic and headphone jack. Here we have the SIM slot and the ultra power saving key. We have proximity sensor, earpiece and a 5 megapixel front camera up top. At the bottom, we have a single button which acts like a fingerprint scanner too. And then of course we have the ultra gorgeous 5.5 inch Super AMOLED screen. The resolution is 1920 by 1080, which means it's a full HD display, and for protection it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. You also get an option to use the on-screen navigation buttons in case you need them. If not, tapping and holding it for a long time brings up multitasking, pressing that brings to home, and long pressing that brings up the Google Assistant. And tapping it once acts like a back button. The fingerprint scanner works fine, and it actually works at least 8 out of 10 times I have tried it. It doesn't work with wet hands though. But otherwise it works as expected. Now let me quickly show the camera app. The auto mode does work fine for most time because it is Snapdragon branded. But it does have some more options too. You can check them out here. And it also has a fully dedicated Pro mode with which you can adjust the exposure, shutter speed, focus and even ISO. The shutter response is also adequately quick enough. Here are some of the sample shots. In outdoor bright lighting conditions, the images turn out to be really great. This shot was taken with the Pro mode. And again, Pro mode helped me with this shot. This should give you an idea about the dynamic range. The camera is quick to focus and that greatly helps while taking macro shots. This was actually taken from inside a moving car. The front-facing camera is actually average and lacks details once zoomed in. And in low light, lot of noise creeps in. This was in extreme low light and the quality is just average. Dual SIMs and Geo VOLTE works fine, no issues there. Near the front-facing camera, we also have a multicolored LED notification light. With my initial usage, the battery life is just amazing and it lasts easily for at least 2 working days. Snapdragon 625 coupled with the 5100 mAh battery makes this an amazing phone. That's it for this quick unboxing video and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.